Biz short in seconds, say what matters. The Indian Railways announced that it had operated 3,960 special trains between 1 and 19 October 2025 to accommodate the surge in passenger traffic during the festival season of Diwali and Chhath Puja. The Railways indicated plans to run an additional 8,000 special services in the coming days, bringing the total provision for the season to over 12,000 trains, a significant increase over the previous year's target of 7,724. The zones most active in deploying these trains have been Northern Railway, 1,919 trains, Central Railway, 1,998, and Western Railway, 1,501, supported by other regional divisions. The step aims to ease pressure on regular services, reduce crowding at major stations, and provide smoother connectivity ahead of the festive peak. Additional measures accompany the increased services, holding areas for waiting passengers, additional ticket counters, improved washroom and potable water facilities, and a dedicated war room at Rail Bhavan monitoring traffic in real time. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav visited the war room on 20th October and praised the efforts of the 1.2 million railway employees working around the clock during the busy season. Analysts note that the deployment underscores the logistics challenge India faces in moving large populations during festivals, particularly migrant workers returning home. The massive scale of operations and the preparatory steps indicate a learning curve from past seasons when crowding and delays were more severe. Still, challenges remain. Last-mile connectivity, unreserved coach availability, and travel discomfort in peak hours continue to attract criticism. For the railways, the objective is to deliver reliable travel while managing costs, maintenance, and operational safety. The success of this festival season rollout may also serve as a benchmark for future period travel planning in India's expanding rail network. Source: Reuters. Think business, think biz short. Tap to subscribe.